Okay, so we have been talking about goal setting, haven't we, this half term? And I'm going to talk to you today about a goal that I think is really important for everyone. So it's not an academic goal, it's not a sporting goal or a musical goal in any way. It's a goal about being a nicer person. How can you be a nicer person?
If I stop bullying others.
Absolutely. It's not very nice, is it, to be a bully or to be a bully? That's very good. What do you think? Yes, so make everyone feel included. Very good.
So people that aren't, like, even if they're not your friend, you should get them into your room.
Absolutely, so don't be mean to anybody and let everyone feel involved. So interesting now, the best answers are coming from the little ones, isn't it? Yeah, just simple manners. So I'm going to talk to you about the word tolerance. Who's heard of the word tolerance before? Who can tell me what it means? You can tell me what it means.
You don't take revenge if you're wrong, you just suck it up.
Okay. So not taking revenge if someone's being intolerant towards you. Yeah? But what does tolerance actually mean? You're right, but think about the step before that. Being tolerant, what does it mean?
You take things like if someone's being rude to you and you can tolerate it, then that you can take it. You can control yourself.
Yes, but I'm looking for another kind of answer. So what about if we say being open-minded? Tell me a bit more what that could mean. You're tolerant and open-minded. You have an open mind. What could that mean?
Not judging.
Absolutely. And what does that mean?
That's like you're tolerant.
Yeah, but what does judging someone mean? What does that look like, do you think? You judge someone. Yeah. Not so much telling people, well, it can be, but well, give me an answer. If you judge someone, what are you basing that judgment on?
Appearance.
It could be appearance. Anything else?
Internal prejudice. Internal prejudice.
Oh, like a prejudice, absolutely. Yeah. Their religion.
Personality.
Yes.
Stereotypes.
Absolutely. Believe in all of those things. Now, to be tolerant, you can learn to appreciate and enjoy people who are different to you. Is that a very difficult thing to do? It's not, is it? And you know what? Children are the most tolerant of everybody because they haven't learned prejudice in any way. Somebody's already mentioned about sticking up for other people. So you can take a stand when someone's being a bully because you won't put up with intolerance. How important is that? Very. Being tolerant means accepting that others don't always think the same way as you do. Is that difficult? I don't think so. And not making negative comments about others, whether it's religion, lifestyle, beliefs, any of those things. So being tolerant means you appreciate and understand that people are different to you. You take a stand if you see someone being intolerant and being a bully. You accept that other people don't always think like you do, but that's okay. And you don't make any negative comments about other people. Are any of those things difficult? No. So you can be tolerant, can't you? So, we don't make judgments about how other people dress, how other people talk, and we can use positive words to describe other people. We can understand other people's points of view, and when we meet new people who we think might be different to us, we can look for things that we might have in common. Are those really sensible things to follow? And then you will be a tolerant person, won't you? Now, I've got a story. It's called The Wrinkled Heart. So I'm going to read it to you. Do you want to sit down now? I'm reading the story. So The Wrinkled Heart. It's quite a sweet little story because tolerance doesn't have to be in society, just society as a whole. It can even be in your home. And you'll understand why when I finish the story. It's not very long. It's called The Wrinkled Heart. What do you think that might mean? The wrinkled heart. Think about your heart and your feelings. What might make it wrinkle and hurt a little bit?
Like people who are leaving you out or something.
Okay. One morning, a small boy woke up and started his day. He got dressed by himself, put on his own shoes, and even started brushing his teeth without being asked. He was having a great time. There was water on the floor, water on the mirror, water on the counter, but he was brushing his teeth by himself. It was a hectic morning, and when the boy's mother came in and saw the water, she scolded him for the mess, and the boy's heart crumpled a little bit. The small boy bounced downstairs, determined to have a good day. He saw the cereal and milk on the table and decided to fix his own bowl. But the milk carton was heavy, and the milk spilled onto the table. The boy's father was trying to read the paper, and when he saw what had happened, he told the boy that he was clumsy. The small boy's heart crumpled some more. It was the first day of school for the boy. When he boarded the bus, the driver, who wanted to be at home, told him his new socks looked silly. Needless to say, the boy's heart crumpled. When he went to class, the boy realised he didn't have his milk money. When he told the teacher he forgot, she threw up her hands in exasperation and said he'd just have to skip milk time today. The boy's heart was all crumpled up. Does that feel nice? Tomorrow is a new day for the boy. When tomorrow came, the boy went to brush his teeth. When his mother came in, she gave him some towels and asked him please to wipe the counter when he was finished, and she showed him a special place for his toothbrush and paste. The boy's heart unwrinkled a little. When the boy went downstairs for breakfast, the milk spilled again. The boy's father gave him a sponge to wipe the spill and poured some milk into a more manageable jug for the boy. The boy's heart felt better. When the boy got on the school bus, the driver told him what neat trousers he had on. The boy's heart was smoothing out. Today was only the second day of school, and the boy had remembered his lunch, but he forgot his milk money again. The teacher told the boy that everyone forgets things sometimes, and she would find a way to help him remember. The boy's heart felt pretty good now. But the boy's heart wasn't as smooth as it used to be. It still had some creases and wrinkles from being all crumpled up. It takes a long time to smooth out those wrinkles. What do you think the message is in the story?
Everyone makes mistakes. If you're nice to each other, it can work well.
So should we be tolerant of other people's mistakes as well as being tolerant about people's differences?
Yes.
Would that make us all a nicer person? Again, is it a difficult thing to be tolerant? No? So, I'll leave you with one thought. The mind is a door, longing to be opened. So you can open your mind to everything. You can be tolerant of everyone. But if your mind is closed in the first place, you need to ask yourself why that is and question that. Because being tolerant of those who are different from you, who have a different point of view in life, a different lifestyle, is a very, very valued characteristic. And that should be something we should all aim for. Do you agree? Thank you.